Shraddha. What is this? Yes, this is a paper. Now we will crumple the paper. Paperটা এরকম করে ধরো এরকম করে, এবার এরকম করে ওটাকে মুছিয়ে দাও। করো 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 করো, like this. Yes, very good. Crumple it. Crumple it. Very good. এবার এটাকে আবার খোলো, ভালো করে খোলো। হ্যাঁ, খোলো তো। Very good. This is crumple paper art. বলো এটা কি? Shihan, can you crumple this paper? Take this paper. Paperটা নাও, crumple করো। তুমি নাও, crumple করো, এভাবে crumple করো। করো। Yes. Yes, very good. Now open it. এবার ওটাকে আস্তে আস্তে খোলো। What is this? বলো, this is crumple art. Adrik, say good morning. Can you crumple this paper? Take this paper. Take this paper. Crumple it. Crumple it. Yes, very good. Very good. Okay, now open it. Now open it again. Keep it on the table. Open it. Open it. What is this? This is... Show me the paper. This is crumple art. Show me. Good morning, Aaron. Say good morning, ma'am. Can you crumple this paper? Crumple it. Crumple it. Yes, very good. Now open it again. Now open it. Slowly, slowly. Yes. Show me the paper. Very good. What is this called? Say this is called crumple art. Shampreet, can you crumple this paper? Paper to now. Take the paper and crumple it. See? Koro koro. Very good. Koro koro. হচ্ছে। Now open the paper. এবার খোলো, পেপারটা খোলো। আস্তে আস্তে। Very good. Show me the paper. আমাকে দেখাও। Okay, this is called... এটা খোলো। এটা খোলো। খোলো। This is called crumple art. Ishani, can you crumple this paper, Ishani? See what ma'am is doing. Crumple it. Yes. Very good. Now open it. Now open it. What is this called? Say this is called crumple art. বলো এটাকে কি বল? সমর্পিতা, say good morning, ma'am. Can you crumple this paper? See, look at ma'am. What is ma'am doing? Do like ma'am. Crumple it. Yes. Very good. Now can you open the paper? Open the paper. খোলো, পেপারটা খোলো। টেবিলে রেখে খোলো। এটাকে কি বলে বলো তো? Can you crumple the paper? Crumple it. Yes, very good. Now open it. Rito kholo. Eto, what is this? This is crumple art. Good morning, Krishani. Krishani, can you crumple the paper? Paper টাকে crumple করো। হ্যাঁ, very good. Very good. এবার পেপারটাকে খোলো তো। এটাকে কি বলে বলো তো? বলো crumple art. Good morning, Ayaz. Crumple the paper. Very good. Now open it. Very good. এটাকে কি বলে? Crumple the paper, Tiyasha. Very good. Crumple it. Very good. করো, হচ্ছে করো। Now open Very good. What is this? Bolo crumple. Good morning, Prisha. What are you doing? You're crumpling the paper. Crumple it. Crumple it. Very good. Very good. Now open it again. Open it. अब इसको खोलो. हाँ, खोलो. इसे क्या कहते हैं? बोलो crumple art. इसको क्या कहते हैं? crumple art. दिखाओ मुझे पेपर दिखाओ. Hi, Rudram. What are you doing? You're crumpling the paper. Okay. Now open the paper. Open it. Yes. What is this called? Say crumple art. Say crumple art. What are you doing, Divyansh? You're crumpling the paper. Oh, very good. Now open it. Now open the paper. পেপারটাকে আবার আগের মতো করো তো। করো, খোলো। হ্যাঁ। এটাকে কি বলে বলো? ক্রাম্পল আর্ট বলো। Very good. উৎসর্গ, crumple the paper. Crumple the paper. করো, করো, করো। Crumple it. Very good. Now see, what is this called? This is called crumple art. Crumple the paper. Yes, very good. Very good. Now open it. Now open it. Open the paper. Very good. What is this? This is crumple art. Say crumple art.